What's up already? My battery is almost died. Mine too. What should we do? Sunergy!
Hi everyone, our project is called Sunergy. It's a solar-powered fast charging system. It's a portable, low-cost and eco-friendly charger. While it can be used anywhere, we are focusing on two main impacts, which is to improve our education in classrooms and contributing to environmental sustainability. Today's college depends heavily on electronic devices for lessons, research and communication. But in many rural areas, even in the cities, during power cuts, electricity is not always reliable. At the same time, most electricity still comes from fossil fuels, which worsen climate change. Sunergy solves both problems. It can convert solar energy to electricity, ensuring devices can be charged anytime. While promoting clean, renewable energy, this directly supports SDG 4, quality education, SDG 7, affordable and clean energy, and lastly, SDG 13, which is climate action. In college, Sunergy can keep tablets, handphones, and even fans to charge during lessons. For example, when a student forgot to charge his fan before classes, he don't have to worry anymore. We can charge the fan in the tutorial classes. Next, by support online learning where power supply is unstable. For example, we always use projector during classes. So when there's a power cut, we don't have to worry anymore since we have an energy supply anywhere in the tutorial classroom.
Next, Sunergy also have environmental impact. Sunergy reduce reliance on fossil fuels and carbon emission. Basically, Sunergy is helping to fight the climate change. Sunergy is made up from low-cost materials, locally available materials, making it affordable and easy to replicate in any community. By encouraging solar system energy, it promotes a greener lifestyle and raises awareness about energy consumption. It also improves connectivity in underserved areas, ensuring that even students in college can continue learning. In summary, Sunergy is not just a charger, it's an educational asset. It ensures continuous learning, promote green technology, and inspire the next generation to think sustainably. We believe integrating Sunergy in classroom can help create smarter, greener, and more connected college. Thank you.